going to prepare simple mixture containing acetyl salicylic acid, or it can be named acetyl salicylic acid mixture. Now in this preparation we have to first weight accurately acetyl salicylic acid 64.8 mg, then potassium citrate 0.194 gram. After that weighing we have to take first 3/4 volume of chloroform water. In that chloroform water we have to add first potassium citrate to make a solution. Now potassium citrate we are adding in a chloroform water and then stirred with the glass rod. Now in this step we are preparing the solution of potassium citrate. Why it is? Because aspirin or acetyl salicylic acid is slightly or insoluble in water. Now that acetyl salicylic acid will make a soluble by using this potassium citrate solution. After complete stirring we have to add acetyl salicylic acid, that is aspirin, and then stir with the glass rod. After this step, we have to observe the solution, prepared solution, for any foreign particle. And if any foreign particle observes, then we have to strain, that is filter, into the by passing through the cotton gauge. Now I have taken a cotton gauge and which is already waiting by the vehicle which I have used in this solution, that is chloroform water. Why we have made that waiting? To prevent the loss of prepared solution. Now after that we have to pass this solution through that cotton plug. We can reach that beaker by using that remaining quantity of vehicle which is to be adjusted. Now till that filter it being strained, I have made the label to stick the container. That label is of a mixture, simple mixture containing acetyl salicylic acid, but I have written the name acetyl salicylic acid mixture. Now in this mixture what will be the content? Prescribed by, prescribed for, dispensed by, dispensed for, then registration number of the pharmacy where we can dispense the preparation, then batch number, whatever the preparation we are preparing, it should be the recorded in the register, then preparation date and expiry date. After that shake well before use because it is a mixture. Then category, in this case it contains the aspirin, and aspirin is having the category of anti-inflammatory or analgesic. Then direction, what will be the direction? Here direction is the 2 tablespoonful to be taken thrice a day. And then lastly dispensed at, it is dispensed at our college, so that I have written the name of the college, PSGBP Mandals College of Pharmacy, Shahada. Now this solution is now completely filtered and now will transfer into the container. Before that we have to make the volume, final volume, by adding the remaining quantity of the vehicle which of that is chloroform water, and then we have to again shape properly. We can also check the final quantity of the preparation which is to be submit the 30 ml. Now preparation is now of 30 ml and transferring to the final container. Now stick the label which is prepared. I have stick that label, cork the container, and preparation is ready for dispensing. This is our experiment number 7 to prepare and submit simple mixture containing acetyl salicylic acid. Thank you.